Musije mukyaba nnyabo ne basebo. Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing okay. So today is a special day and we're going to look at names used in the palace. Names used in the palace. Amanya agakozesebwa mu lubiri. Remember here at Benny 2178 we learn English and Luganda with ease. Okay, so let's look at some names used in the palace. Amanya agakozesebwa mu lubiri. A point to note, remember in Buganda we are ruled by a king. Wakabaka bwa Buganda tukulibwa kabaka. So one name that is used in the palace we have king. King. King in Luganda is kabaka. Kabaka. So king in Luganda is kabaka. Okay? We have queen. Queen. Queen in Luganda is Nabagereka. Nabagereka. Queen is Nabagereka. Can you repeat that, please? Okay, Nabagereka. Okay, let's go to the third name. We have prince. 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 So prince in Luganda tumuyita omulangira. Omulangira, like the prince of Buganda. Omulangira wa Buganda. So prince is omulangira. Omulangira. Okay, we have princess. 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 So the princess is omumbeja. Omumbeja. Princess omumbeja. Can you repeat that? Yes, omumbeja. Yes, princess omumbeja. Royal guards. Royal guards. Royal guards. Royal guards in Buganda they are called abambowa. Abambowa bakabaka. So abambowa, they are the royal guards. Abambowa. Or king's mother. King's mother. King's mother in Luganda we call her Namasole. 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 Yes, Namasole. Okay, king's father normally is deceased or is dead. So king's father who has just passed away is called Sekabaka. 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 So king's father normally who has passed away before the king is Sekabaka. Okay, let's proceed. So head of royal guards, the head of the royal guards, like the person in charge of all. Sabambowa. Sabambowa. Remember, royal guards are Abambowa. So the head is Sabambowa. Hope you get that. Sabambowa is the head of the royal guards. Sabambowa. Okay, let's proceed. Clans. Most of the times we've been hearing clans in Buganda. So clans. Clans in Buganda or clans in Luganda is called Ebika. Ebika. So at times they can ask you, which clan do you belong to? Chikachi, Cholimu. Chikachi, Chovamu. Like that. So a Chika is clan. Okay, let's proceed. Kingdom. 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 So kingdom in Luganda is Obwakabaka. Kingdom of Buganda. Obwakabaka bwa Buganda. Kingdom is Bwakabaka. Obwakabaka. Yes, Obwakabaka. Okay, let's proceed. Surname. Surname. Surname is Erinnya ery'ekika. Erinnya ery'ekika. For instance, my surname is Mukisa. So Mukisa is the surname. Erinnya ery'ekika. Hope you get that. Okay. Okay. A point to note here. The dead body of a king is called, can you guess that? Once again, the dead body of a king is called, okay, you can leave the answer in the comment section. I will find it out and reply you. Here, remember, we learn English and Luganda with ease. So today, that was the topic. Some names used in Buganda Kingdom. Amanya agamu akozesebwa mu Buganda. Okay, bye bye. Wherever.